I've run 8 marathons, 26 long, hard miles each. And if there's one thing I've learnt, it's that eating right is just as important as the training. So you'd think that 2 super fast athletes training for the Olympics would be eating a varied diet in between training.
But they're not. And their excuse is, they say they've got no time.
We train in the morning for 3 or 4 hours, you know, maybe have half an hour for lunch, and then back again train in the afternoon. So it's, and that's 6 days a week, so it's a busy schedule.
Lunchtime's a struggle because it's on the rush, it's on the go, and it is just food for fuel. There's nothing interesting about it at all.
All I eat is just a ready-made pasta pot. It's literally just pasta mixed with a bit of chicken, a bit of sauce.
Just because we're training for the Olympics, we don't need anything special in particular. We just need to eat good amounts of the right stuff.
I want to learn how to cook something nice, quick, tasty, and I want to be able to impress my girlfriend that I can actually cook.
So I've come to meet best mates Chris and Andy to help them be as fast in the kitchen as they are on the track.
Lightning. That looked bloody fast, yeah? How many times a day do you train?
Twice a day.
Twice a day?
Twice a day.
5 days a week?
6 days a week.
6 days a week. I mean, that's extraordinary for one goal, an Olympic gold. That's the ultimate.
It's the Olympics, though, isn't it?
Yeah. Who's the fastest?
Well, he won't deny it's me.
His personal best is better, but the last time we raced on live TV...
You're going to hear that
I took him out.
You took him out?
I took him out.
Will you do me a favour?
I will.
Take me out.
I
want to see just how fast you are. Yeah? Hey,
You sure?
15 stone, 40 years of age, yeah? So go easy on the old man, yes?
I would. Good luck.
Let's go. Fuck. 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 Oh, yeah. Shit. I felt like fucking Shrek going over there, you know that? I'll try the sprinting, you know that?
Sprinting's better.
So it's all in the posture? Yeah?
Yeah. Sprinting's better.
So, go!
Up tall.
Come on! I wanted to say I beat 2 champions.
What is that?
Don't fuck around, come on, come on.
Fuck's sake,
Don't fuck around, okay, sorry. I was just getting excited. On your marks, go! Shit! You know I'm fucked. Now, you just confirmed you're fast on the track. I'm going to show you how to be fast in the kitchen. Ready?
Right. When you caught your breath.
When I caught my breath, yeah. Right, time-wise lunch, you've got, what, half an hour?
Half an hour tops.
Max, yeah? Run me through a normal lunch. What did you have yesterday?
Pasta pot.
And that's it?
That's it.
A pasta pot?
That's a pasta pot.
I mean, it looks boring.
It is boring.
Yes?
It
So
is
you must
boring.
be bored with it by now, no?
Gordon, I am fed up with it.
Pasta doesn't have to be boring, you know that? So I'm going to come up with 3 very exciting pasta dishes. We're going to be fast, furious, and delicious. First recipe. Spaghetti, white tomato sauce, basil, chilli, and finish with prawns.
Pasta is the ultimate fast food and something I eat when I'm training for the marathon.
How'd you find that, Gordon? How'd you find the marathon?
Yeah, no, it's tough. Yeah, very tough. There she goes. So, in the time it takes to cook that spaghetti, the sauce is ready. Yeah. It is. Chilli now, Andy. A little tip, just give it a roll like that.
Right.
This releases the seeds so you can discard them easily.
Andy, basil in, please. I mean, you guys eat well, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, you don't have to follow a strict diet, do you?
No, everything in moderation. That's what, you know, that's what it's about. See, that's the perfect kind of food that we need.
Right, recipe 2, eating faster, yeah? Conchiglioni pasta, pancetta, leeks, and mushrooms. And if you can't get hold of pancetta, smoked bacon is absolutely fine.
Chop the leeks finely and add to the bacon.
I mean, the ultimate goal is a gold medal in Beijing.
Yep.
Yeah.
Or London. London would be better.
Or win one in Beijing and defend it in London. I mean, the chance of defending it in your hometown.
Oh, my.
Your own country hosting the Olympics.
After 3 minutes, add some creme fraiche, which lightens the dish.
That's fast, isn't it?
Add some grated parmesan and finish with chopped parsley.
That's the kind of timescale that we're working on, so that's perfect.
Recipe 3. This one's with penne, chicken, goat cheese, pine nuts, and runner beans. Good. Runner beans in. Garlic. Pine nuts in. OK, rosemary on there, please, Chris.
Take the ingredients out the pan and prepare the chicken.
Chicken breast, I'm going to butterfly it, OK? Let's keep the knife nice and flat and just open it up.
Cutting the chicken this way leaves the breast thinner and therefore it cooks quicker.
Wow, that looks beautiful.
That's a really nice, dry ghost cheese. And at work, we keep them in the freezer. And perfect for finishing pasta. It's a great tip because they never go off. This is not boring, is it?
Oh, not at all. No.
We can't rely on time as an excuse to not look after yourselves.
No.
All three you happy with?
Of course.
Yeah.
This one I like particularly.
We've got the World Championship coming up.
We have.
At the end of the summer.
Yeah.
I just hope your times are faster at the World Championship. I'm watching closely, you know that.